Installing the Pfister Ladera Centerset faucet. For the installation, you will need the following tools and materials: 2 1/2-inch water supply lines, 2 adjustable wrenches, rags, a bucket. Insert the faucet into the holes. Make sure the putty plate is in place at the bottom of the faucet. Hand tighten the mounting nuts until the faucet is secured. Take the supply lines that are attached to the angle stops and feed them into a bucket. Open the hot and cold angle stops and flush the lines for at least 30 seconds. Connect the water supply lines to the faucet using a wrench to firmly tighten. Now, disassemble the drain. Insert the drain body into the hole of the sink and align the logo with the sink. Thread the washer onto the drain body with the wider portion facing towards the bottom. Firmly hand-tighten the nut. Connect the trap to the tailpiece. Turn on the water supplies. Check all connections for leaks. Use a coin to remove the aerator. Run the water to flush debris. Then reinstall the aerator. To download installation guides, visit www.pfisterfaucets.com or simply call us for help with your installation.